Hi friends, I'm Ellie and this is Tech3X channel. Today I want to show you how to share only one sheet or tab in Google Sheets. When you share a Google Sheets, you're sharing the entire worksheet. But in some situations, you may need to share only one sheet or tab. Today I want to show you how to do this. Let's see. My spreadsheet has multiple sheets. When I share it, it shares all sheets together. Until now, there is no option to share just a particular sheet in Google Sheets. The good news is that there is a simple solution that allows you to share only one sheet, although it does have its limitations. This sheet from this workbook is what I want to share. So first, I must import the data to the new sheet. In this case, the Importrange function that allows you to import a range from another spreadsheet will help. So =, Importrange function, open parentheses. Now as it said here, I need the URL of the spreadsheet from where data will be imported. I go to the main spreadsheet, copy the URL from the address bar, and paste it here. It is necessary to include a spreadsheet URL in quotation marks. Now comma. For range string, sheet name, then range, and quotations. Now enter. As you can see, all data is imported to the new sheet without any formatting. This is the limitation of this function. If you wish to include the formatting from the original spreadsheet, you will need to copy and paste it from the main sheet. In the master sheet, select the range you intend to import and copy it. Now in the new sheet, go to the Edit tab and paste Special. Now select Format Only. The formatting from the main sheet will appear. Okay, you can now share this new sheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. This is the playlist of Google Sheets. Visit it, you will find valuable videos. If you have any question, ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.